Hello viewers, hello students, welcome to this video on the discussion of your chapter 2 from the practice book, that is regular and irregular verbs. Now in this video we are simply going to discuss the exercises as given in your book. Now here is worksheet 1 on page number 19. You need nothing to do but read this exercise, read this worksheet and try to understand the concept of verbs. Cinderella lived in a small village in England with her stepmother and two stepsisters. No one in the family loved her. She worked for the whole day, whereas her sisters did nothing. One day, the family received an invitation to a party at the king's palace. Cinderella, too, like her sisters, wanted to go to the party, but her mother refused to take her. Now, all the verbs inside the bracket in the boxes are regular verbs, they are weak verbs, they form their past tense by the addition of ed or d. As you can see, lived is the past tense of live, loved is the past tense of love, worked is the past tense of work, work. So in this manner, each and every verb in the box is a past tense of the verb. Now here is worksheet 2 on page number 20. There are some verbs given here and you have to use the past tense, the V2 form of the verbs in the blanks given in the paragraph below. So what we have to do, first we have to understand and know the past tense. We have asked, so I have written asked, the past tense of asked. Call, called. Accuse, accused. Receive, received. Express, expressed. Scold, scolded. Try, tried. Learn, learned. Now just because of the little space, यहाँ पे जगह कम है तो एक नीचे एक ऊपर, एक नीचे एक ऊपर ऐसे alternately लिखा हुआ है, so that all the verbs have been written in past tense. I made sure first of all मैंने ये तय कर लिया कि सारे verbs का past tense यहीं पे लिख लूँ. Then I will go for the paragraph. I will fill in the blanks with the correct words. As you can see, now we are going to do the paragraph. August 8, 9:30 p.m. Today we received an invitation from the king to a dance party. My stepmother and stepsisters expressed a desire to attend the party. Expressed, it is the past tense of express, उसमें ed लगा हुआ है. When I learnt about it and asked them to take me along, they scolded me. So you can see students, हर एक वर्ब में ed लग रहा है. These are all weak verbs, regular verbs, जिनका past tense ed लगा के बनता है. Let's move further. They called me ugly and accused me of being unlucky. I tried to convince them. Tried is the past tense of try, 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 past tense tried. I tried to convince them, but they did not agree. Had I gone to the party, I would have enjoyed myself a lot. I would have danced with the prince. Oh, how I wish I could have gone there. Will no one help me? Now in this paragraph, all the verbs which you have written are regular verbs, weak verbs. They form their past tense by the addition of ed. स्पेलिंग में ed लगा दिया तो उसका past tense बन गया. Such verbs are regular verbs, weak verbs. Now let us move to worksheet 3. You can see here, just देर आर सेवरल वर्ब्स हियर जिनका हमको पास्ट टेंस बनाना है. We have to write these verbs in past tense and complete the entire story or passage. Starts will become started. S-T-A-R-T-E-D, started. Appears will become appeared. Offers will become offered. सब में ऐसा ed आपको लगाना है. Warns, warned. Then reaches, reached. So you have to find out all the verbs. As you can see, I have underlined all the verbs in the passage or in the clues, and I am going to change them into past tense. One thing you should mark here, जो भी verb में to लगा हुआ रहता है, I have put it in the circle. To wear, यहाँ पे भी है देखिए, to find out, to find out. So if the verb is accompanied by to, it is called non-finite verb. और ऐसे वर्ब्स का टेंस चेंज नहीं होता. टू फाइंड विल नेवर बिकम टू फाउंड, वो टू फाइंड ही रहेगा. टू वियर विल नेवर बिकम टू वोर, वो टू वियर ही रहेगा. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ हियर आर द आंसर्स. सिंड्रेला वांटेड टू गो टू द पार्टी बट कुड नॉट. शी स्टार्टेड क्राइंग. क्लू में स्टार्ट्स क्राइंग दिया है. आवर आंसर शुड बी स्टार्टेड क्राइंग. Next, just then a fairy appeared and offered to help. The clue was fairy appears and offers help. So we have written just then a fairy appeared and offered to help. Next clue, warns her to return. She warned her to return before midnight. Next clue, Cinderella reaches the party, dances with the prince. Answer is Cinderella reached the party and danced with the prince. Next clue, Cinderella rushes out as the clock strikes 12. Past tense of rush, rushed, R-U-S-H-E-D. Past tense of strikes, struck, S-T-R-U-C-K. So the answer is Cinderella rushed as the clock struck 12. She dropped her shoes. Next clue, the prince orders to find her. Answer, the prince ordered to find her. Next clue, servants reach her home. Ask her to wear the shoe. Answer, the servants reached her home and asked her to wear the shoe. Next clue, marries the princess. The shoe fit her properly and she married the princess. Fit, past tense is also fit. So you can see how we have completed worksheet 3. Now in the same manner, you have to complete worksheet 4 also. You can see LOVED, loved. It is the past tense of love. So loved, the answer will become did not love. Rest you have to write the sentence accordingly. In number 2 it is worked, so it has to be did not work. Worked will become did not work, so your answer will be Cinderella's stepsister did not work hard. Okay, then the stepsisters cared. Cared के जगह में आपको लिखना है did not care. So your answer will be the stepsisters did not care for Cinderella. Cinderella lived in a big house. You have to write Cinderella did not live in a big house. So basically we are changing the positive sentence, affirmative sentence into negative by using past tense. Cinderella's stepmother allowed her to go to the party. Answer will be Cinderella's stepmother did not allow her to go to the party. Cinderella's stepmother helped her. The answer will be Cinderella's stepmother did not help her. Rest as it is. Number 8. The king visited Cinderella's house himself to give an invitation card. Your answer will be the king did not visit Cinderella's house himself to give an invitation card. Now that is how you should complete the worksheet.